Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Braun thermometer caps are probably one of the most essential accessories for ensuring accurate and hygienic temperature readings from your Braun thermometer, acting as a crucial barrier against contamination and providing a comfortable fit for reliable results every time you need to check your or your loved one's health. Number 5. Braun ThermoScan Lens Filters. Keep your Braun thermometer's lens protected and clean. These filters prevent obstructions that could affect reading accuracy. Our filters are clinically validated to work with your Braun ThermoScan ear thermometer. Using them ensures you get precise temperature readings every time. Prevent cross-contamination with every use. These disposable covers are designed for single use, ensuring a hygienic experience. Replacing the filter is simple. Just remove the used cap after each reading and replace it with a fresh one for your next measurement. For the most accurate results, always use Braun certified lens filters. This guarantees the performance you expect from your device. These filters are made from BPA-free and latex-free materials. They are safe for you and your family to use. What we like? Ensure accurate readings and hygiene with these essential covers. If you are using a Braun ear thermometer and prioritize preventing the spread of germs, these are a must-have. They are designed for single use, making them perfect for busy households or clinical settings. What people say. These Braun ThermoScan lens filters are exactly what you want for an ear thermometer: simple, reliable, and hygienic. They fit perfectly on our Braun ThermoScan with no slipping or issues, and the clear design makes it easy to confirm proper placement before use. I really appreciate the disposable aspect, especially when taking temperatures for multiple family members. It gives peace of mind knowing each reading is clean and accurate. Number 4. iProvèn Pro Series Dual Mode Thermometer. Introducing the iProvèn Pro Series, a revolutionary thermometer designed for your entire family. It offers superior accuracy for adults, kids, and babies. Experience double accuracy with our upgraded dual mode. Get indicative forehead readings in just 3 seconds, or instant, medically accurate ear measurements. This device is incredibly easy to use with its one-button operation. Get quick results in seconds, and its gentle vibration won't disturb sleeping children. Perfect for all ages, from infants to the elderly. It's designed for everyday use at home, in clinics, or at school. You can easily switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius. With a large backlit screen and quiet vibration alerts, it's the best choice for infants. An intelligent fever indicator also warns for hypothermia. What we like? Get versatile and quick temperature readings for the whole family. If you need a thermometer that can measure both ear and forehead temperatures, and you want fast, non-disruptive results for babies, this is an excellent choice. It's designed for convenience and accuracy across all age groups. What people say. Super easy to use and has an ear function, the most accurate, and a forehead function. Color-coded temp reading too made it easy to read before you even looked at the actual number. Such a nice design, with some clever touches, e.g. it automatically switches from forehead mode to ear mode when you remove the cap to expose the ear canal tube. Number 3. Boncare 10 Seconds Oral Thermometer. Get a precise temperature reading in just 10 seconds. It's designed for both adults and children, ensuring quick and reliable results every time. This digital thermometer offers a safe and comfortable way to check for fever. It's gentle enough for babies, providing peace of mind for parents. Never miss a sign of fever. It comes equipped with an alert system that notifies you when a high temperature is detected. Experience the convenience of a digital display for easy-to-read temperature measurements. Its accuracy ensures you have the information you need. Whether for adults or little ones, this thermometer is a must-have for any household. Its user-friendly design makes temperature check simple. Choose a thermometer that's as stylish as it is functional. This model comes in an attractive blue-green color. What we like? This thermometer offers precise temperature measurements for oral or rectal use. If you are looking for a reliable and safe option for adults and children, especially for infants where rectal measurements are recommended, this device provides accurate results with a helpful fever alarm. What people say. The thermometer is very accurate and easy to use. It has a fast reading time, which is great for fussy babies. The design is ergonomic and fits comfortably in the hand. Number 2. Braun Ear Thermometer Replacement Probe Covers. Ensure accurate readings every time with our replacement probe covers. They are designed to be compatible with all Braun ear thermometer models, providing a perfect fit for your device. These covers are essential for maintaining the accuracy of your thermometer. They protect the delicate lens, ensuring that each temperature measurement is as reliable as possible. Your health and safety are paramount. That's why our probe covers are made from great material, free from BPA and latex, making them safe for the whole family. Keep a supply handy for home, daycare, or clinic use. These disposable covers are a convenient and necessary accessory for quick and hygienic temperature checks. Get the same quality and performance as original covers, but at a much lower price. Protect your thermometer and your budget with this smart alternative. Prevent scratches and impurities from affecting your thermometer's accuracy. These covers shield the lens, guaranteeing precise temperature readings with every use. What we like? Protect your Braun thermometer's accuracy without breaking the bank. If you own a Braun ear thermometer and are looking for a cost-effective way to maintain lens protection and hygiene, these compatible covers are a great option. They offer the same functionality as the branded ones at a fraction of the price. What people say. They fit accurately on all Braun ThermoScan models, ensuring a snug and secure fit for reliable readings. I love that they're disposable, which makes hygiene a breeze, especially when monitoring temperatures for my little ones. These work perfectly with my Braun thermometer. My parents have a different version than me, but it also works on theirs. They seem to fit universally to most thermometers. Number 1. Braun 200X Ear Thermometer Probe Covers. These probe covers are designed to fit all Braun digital ear thermometer models. Ensure a perfect fit for your device every time. Made from BPA-free and latex-free materials, these disposable covers offer a safe and hygienic solution. They are perfect for use at home, in clinics, or daycares. Protect your thermometer's lens from scratches and impurities. Using these covers helps ensure the accuracy of every temperature measurement. Each probe cover is disposable, preventing cross-contamination between uses. Simply replace the cover after each measurement for optimal hygiene. We stand by the quality of our probe covers. If you have any questions or concerns, our support team is ready to assist you. What we like? Maintain the highest standards of hygiene with these disposable lens filters. If you prioritize preventing cross-contamination and want peace of mind with safe, BPA and latex-free materials, these covers are ideal. They are perfect for ensuring sanitary temperature checks in any environment, from home to clinics. What people say. No issues with accuracy reading of the temp either. And it came with I think 200 of them, so we have plenty to last us. These fit perfectly. I hate that you have to buy these over and over to make the thermometer work. These covers fit and work the same as the original Braun lens filter covers on the Braun ear thermometer. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.